merch is at JackHammer UK, sponsored by DS Plastering, EMPM Limited, Donovan Wint, JMP Landscaping, JDL Decorators, and TSR Tanning Studio. You can watch this back on Loungers TV. This is for the ISK European Kickboxing title. 5 rounds, 2 minutes each. In the blue corner, representing All or Nothing, Marina Nash. And in the red corner, representing Combat Academy, her name is Megan.
Yeah, huge following in for Megan. The Dragonfly is back.
Megan Dark, Marina Nash, and the Dragonfly. One of these girls should make that their nickname after this fight. If you make it through without getting caught by the Dragonfly, you're the European champ. No, seriously, this is going to be a great fight between these two girls. Both of them look locked in.
I think the winner should be renamed Dragonfly.
100%.
Both girls looking confident. And the Dragonfly is back.
Round 1.
Here we go. First of 5 scheduled rounds for the European title. Megan starting strong with legs, follow with the hands. Marina not stepping back from her though.
Oh.
Takes a side kick to the face, but pushes forward with hands again.
Marina not phased, trying to come forward.
Megan landing nicely with her legs here.
Don't wait, Marina, don't wait.
Nice kick from Marina, she follows up. Nice slick movement there from Megan to get out of the way. Both girls try fight out. Nice roundhouse from Megan again. Marina throwing the teep. Steps out of the way.
Yeah, Megan really trying to work those legs.
Head kick, Marina, head kick. Head kick.
Whoa.
Head kick. There you go, set it up. Jab, head kick. Cut her off, Marina, cut her off.
Megan working on leaning back in the ropes and push kick. Marina coming forward though.
Yeah, good timing with those kicks. Nice Superman.
Marina not taking a backward step here.
Yeah,
Megan picking her off nicely with kicks, but Marina's coming forward again.
Don't wait, jab, head kick, jab, head kick.
Nice timing by Megan, moving out the way.
Good. Marina beginning to find her shots here. Nice roundhouse to the body. Sweep from Megan.
Hands up. Yes, that's it. Step on the jab.
Nice roundhouse.
Nice roundhouse from Megan there. Leading with the left hook, following up the right roundhouse. Superman punch and right roundhouse again.
And that is time! End of round 1!
Good round from both girls there. Here we go, round 2. Nice combos.
Yeah, nice combo
Oh,
right there by
strong
Megan.
roundhouse.
Come on, yes. Marina, jab, head kick. Jab, head kick.
Accidental low kick there. Both girls were trying to kick at the same time.
This is Marina Nash versus Megan Dahl. They're bringing it to JackHammer UK.
The Dragonfly's back.
Megan ready to go again. Oh, cheap to the face. Marina doesn't care though, she's pushing back forward again.
Aggressive work there from Megan.
Spinning attempt. Slip
Little
there from
slip.
Megan. Marina looking to go forward again. Sweep from Megan.
Another low kick there.
Megan fighting back here.
Yeah, Marina needs to.
Marina going for it here. She's a point down. She knows she needs to go for it here. Megan firing back.
Both girls throwing heavy hands.
Both girls going for it here. Remember, there's 5 rounds
Nice
to fight.
shots
Cheap to the
there.
face. Great work rate from both girls here.
Yeah, Marina's not faced. She's still coming forward.
Marina pushing forward again. Oh, heel kick. Nice movement there from Megan. Nice movement on the ropes. Marina working hard to keep pushing forward and stay on Megan though.
Nice time, end of round 2.
I think that low blow, get my words out. I think that low blow might have taken its toll on Megan. It looks like it's hurting her still.
Here we go. More ISK European title fight action.
Both girls up.
Seconds out, round 3.
Oh! Heavy left hook for Marina.
Marina landed nicely then with that left hook.
Both girls thrown here. Nice kicks from Megan. Working on the back foot. Marina working the body and head. Nice uppercut on the inside.
Marina's strong. She's taking the hits and moving forward.
Same again, Marina, same again. Use the man.
Getting ready to go again.
This fight is crazy.
girls
Girls
working
throwing
here.
from every
Oh.
angle.
A sweep on the inside there from Megan. Marina trying to work hard to the body.
And the dragonfly's back again.
Superman punch from Megan. Marina answering back. Meet Lily Anderson slipping under the dragonfly.
Getting our head movement in.
Plenty of action here at JackHammer UK. Megan needs to keep her eyes on Marina here. She fires
Megan
back,
looking
slips
for
on
big
the
shots
ropes.
here.
Oh, lucky to knock out your head kick there. Marina's on it here.
Yeah, both girls leaving everything in there.
Like to see Megan push forward here.
Marina's not a
Marina's coming
pushover.
forward again. Relentless pressure going forwards. Megan working well in the back foot though. Oh,
Don't know why Megan's turning her head.
nice kick. Both girls giving it their all here. What a fight. Living up to the European title fight. Spinning heel kick. counts here.
7,
Just slow to get up off the ground there, I think. Maybe the ref might have thought it was a little bit of time wasting, maybe.
Yeah, Megan doesn't look like she wants to continue here.
Come on, Meg.
Another round down. The girls are ready to go again.
Yeah, can Megan dig deep?
round 3.
Little shimmy there. I believe that low blow really affected her.
Let's go, Marina.
Seconds out. Round 4.
There you go.
Marina straight back in.
Both girls getting told
Oh, heavy kicks from both. Marina's going for it here. Nice return from Megan.
Yeah, both girls really digging deep. Marina pushing forward now.
Marina knows that she keeps pushing forward. She can take this European title.
Megan needs to keep her head up a little bit.
Needs to start scoring on the way in though. Megan's doing nice work in the back foot. Here we go again. Goes for the spinning kick. Both girls collide.
Come on, Marina, win the title.
Yeah, Marina pushing forward now, really pressing that pace.
Superman attempt. Both girls' heads come together.
Yeah, Megan's just getting a little bit close here.
Marina relentless here with pressure.
Marina, let's go.
Oh, left hook straight right down the middle for Megan there. Marina pushing forward here. Nice uppercut in the middle on the inside. Followed by a roundhouse. She follows up.
Nice kick by Marina.
Megan on the rope. She swings back. Who wants it more here? Nice kick in again from Marina on the way in.
Marina's working really well on the front foot now.
Let's go, push her up.
Goes for the spinning kick again, Megan. Marina still relentless, pushing forward. She needs to score on the way in.
Time, end of round 4.
Here we go.
Fifth and final round here.
Oh, nice action from Megan.
Nice body kick
This
by
is
Megan.
better from Megan. She needs to stop holding the ropes though.
Come on, fake it. Fake it.
Marina again staying calm here. She needs to come forward now. Let's finish strong.
There you go.
Megan blocking the head kick and firing back to the body.
Again.
Nice uppercut on the inside from Marina.
Yeah, both girls still going forward, leaving everything in there.
Tidy boxer on the inside, Marina Nash. Superman punch attempt again. Nice
Marina's
roundhouse to
pushed
finish.
forward, stay calm the whole fight. Nothing's phased her.
Pull away, kick.
Nice. Closing moments of this title fight. Who's going to finish stronger in round 5? Nice teep to the face.
Yeah, nice kick there. Megan needs to keep her head up a little bit though.
Marina showing great heart here to constantly come forward. Nice body shot, up to the head, body again. Nice uppercut on the inside.
Yeah, Marina stayed really composed in there. Nice
Megan
counter
swinging
punches there
back
by
though.
Megan,
Sweep on the inside.
10 seconds left.
Big 10 seconds coming up. Oh, Superman. Working body.
And the decision is in. And your winner has won by split decision. Your ISKA European champion is in the red corner, Megan Dawn! Now please make some noise for Marina Nash!